Hello. Say hello, Gavin.
Hello.
Gavin, why is Daddy taking off the side of the bed?
Because I don't want to like lazy.
Oh yeah. And what did Santa have to do with your big boy bed? Because it didn't fit on the sleigh. What did he have to do, Gavin?
Daddy had to pick it up.
Oh, I thought it would just arrive here. Yeah. Okay. So this is his crib. There's my dad. There's Gavin.
Mm-hmm.
There's Gavin. Rudolph, Herbie, Santa, the Bubble, and Clarice. Knickers. Yeah. This is his beautiful little tree. And this is his horse.